In early March, the European Union announced a sweeping defense initiative known as ReArm Europe, a plan to boost military capabilities across the bloc.
We all want a peaceful
European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen unveiled the strategy, citing growing security threats from Russia, uncertainty over US commitments, and the prolonged war in Ukraine. The plan involves investing up to 800 billion euros in air defense systems, munitions, cyber defenses, drones, and security reinforcements along the Russian and Belarusian borders. A key feature is a 150 billion euro joint borrowing scheme, which even traditionally reluctant nations like the Netherlands have supported. The remaining 650 billion euros would come from easing EU fiscal rules, allowing member states to increase defense spending despite budget deficit limits. However, experts warn that the plan faces serious challenges. The EU lacks a unified defense structure, and bureaucratic delays could slow implementation. Financially, Europe is already grappling with economic stagnation and rising populism, raising concerns over how the massive spending will be funded. Critics argue that redirecting resources from social and infrastructure programs to military investments could spark public backlash. Meanwhile, discussions are also intensifying around seizing Russia's frozen assets in European banks, estimated at 300 billion euros. While some EU leaders initially opposed confiscation due to legal and economic risks, recent reports suggest France, Germany, and the UK are now exploring mechanisms to use these funds for Ukraine's military and reconstruction efforts. Beyond Ukraine, ReArm Europe signals a shift toward greater military independence for the EU. With NATO's future uncertain, some EU leaders believe the bloc must develop its own defense capabilities. France, in particular, is pushing for the initiative and could use it to expand European support for Armenia's military.